I'ma say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I'm very special, and guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So today it's a bright morning, which God have granted us, and we thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, on today's videos, I'm very special. Man, I'm outside again. My body's calm. It's calm here. And I was cutting these trees because it's not good near to the toilets. So look, you have the birds. So guys, today these videos, to be honest, I'm include my sister inside on this platform. Actually, guys, wherever you are, know that your friend, she's not feeling okay. She just have a tooth decay. Right now, as I speak here, I'm shooting this video from my home, and I'm going to border town. I'm going to ask the dentist the cost price. So for one tooth, because she had 4 of them, and they're supposed to remove those tooths because wow, look at the side. At the same time, man, this story, it make me cry because last night we didn't sleep. My sister cry here and there, cry a lot. You had the pain of the tooth, and she had 4 of them. Imagine 4 of them. So like one side, man, it just like it has a lot of pain, and then so I'm going inside to see my sister how she was doing. And guys, in case you're watching this video, please give a video a like, comment, and also share my videos. Comment. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So guys, soon I wanna celebrate with you 7K subscriber. By God's grace, maybe this month. Because right now I'm remaining with I think I'm running with around 3 to 7 subscriber to hit 7K. Man, I can't wait. At this moment, I can't wait. Guys, nothing to be hide back. So right now I'm going to ask my mama, and then after that I'm taking my breakfast and then driving to border town. Right now I'm telling you this story for my sister make me cry because it's not easy. So since last night everybody didn't sleep. My sister cry a lot. Cry a lot. So even right now I'm going to wake up my sister to show you how she was feeling so pain. So guys, what I'm going to do, let's go. Hey. Wow, let's go, guys. Everybody's planting maize. They're planting maize. Wow. So let me go and ask my mama how she was feeling right now and compare my last night. I'm telling you, even I take my baby outside, look other side, that's my baby. Wow. Mom. Okay. Okay guys, I'm calling mom. Bob. Mom means mom. Let me see. Let me see, guys. Navona kwa wapi? Mwito tu. Anaendeleaje?
Mgonjwa.
Well, guys, I'm asking mom how was my sister she was doing. Mother told me my sister, she was totally sick. Right now she went to wake up my sister. I want to see, guys, nothing to be black at this moment. Man, sometimes I'm smiling, but inside my heart I'm crying a lot because I don't want to hear my sister feel like crying because of the teeth or tooth. I didn't like this. They didn't went to church, even my mom, because my sister she was sick. So let's see. This is how my mom's house looks like. And in case you're new here, you already known my mom's house, how it looks like. Very well organized. Why not Hello Baby? One day, guys, I'll open the channel. Why not Hello Baby? Whoa, whoa. You need him.
Eh, dinoriba.
Sister, say hello. See my sister, guys. Look at one side. You see? And when you compare on this side here, it's better. Look. Then imbo de beni woman tena masindi bakicho atekatum.
Wota yubu yata ntore mukicino cha mukabichiha.
Irenga.
Tukwe buriri neri monire ngakuyira tumanye niri
Narenga niri murrenga.
Amaino ga yonga renga nenga.
Bono gonsari.
Na yeri yuri muri yetanga na wikyano lya muri ayo. Muyeri yuri muri yetanga.
Okay guys, what my mama should
so cheso manyira muye gonsu. Kange kombo kiria gande ga yo manyiro boro.
What my mama she was telling me, I mean my sister have 4 tooth which have tooth decay, and at this moment, guys, me to be honest, I'm going to ask the price, and right now I have only 10 USD on my pocket, so I want to know each one tooth it's go how much, you know. So like, wow, my sister she was on moodless, guys. Imagine. Rudi chai. I'm telling her go and sleep again.
O buriri no komani atano kumuyiri muri wikyano lya mutumu yosemba muye gonsu.
Dawa 500 kwiha naramuhe gonsu.
Bibi kubibe.
Nanegas.
Ngotebe turi sindana. Umona umuse kubumungi no yiri hutendi ari muremana. Kambukiriri iri ho. Ikanaramu yiri ho ritamureye. Nokorenta ari muburi agusino yuwe igoro hayo.
Oh guys, imagine even my sister bicycles right now here, you know, because of time she went to school, and sometime I didn't have enough time to train her, but it's okay, just over here and everything. So me, what I'm going to do is to ask the price. Mama nipe mchere. Yeah, mom, bring mchele means rice. And yes, weke kidogo. Sometimes mama you put small rice. I don't want to eat too much rice because sometimes when my stomach is full, even to rotate it's hectic. But guys, sorry for that. I'm making jokes, you know. So let me take the chair. Let me take my chair and sit outside as I take my breakfast right now, you know. I will take heavy breakfast, no lunch, up to evening time. So right now maybe I think let me take here. Or I can eat rice sitting at my mom's house. Maybe for the first time, guys. What do you think? That's how my mom's house looks like. Wow. Maybe. Let me sit inside here. Right here we have rice. No pressure at all, at all. That's my mama. Okay. Mama, that's enough, man. Hey. That's my African mom. If you don't know her, guys, you have already known. That's my mom. With the kitenke, this kitenke. African clothes. I'm gonna carry square. I'm coming outside. Let me take chair, man. I want to take this one. Be honest, guys, to be honest, Right now on my pocket, I have $1. No, not $1. $10. Let me sit here. And how many can you body could be? Oh, guys. Okay. Oh, guys, this rice and also it's green grams. I don't know, whatever the case. Okay, guys, I was praying for my food. Let me enjoy. Have a special tank right here. Okay, guys, it's time to enjoy. Okay, ma'am, thank you. Okay. Mama went outside. The food was so yummy, guys, right here. And today I'm trying to sit outside, basking the sun from here, direct face on my face, while I'm eating the rice here. Eating rice. Wow. Oh, guys, I'm outside heading to Border Town right now. So I'm going to see my bike on this side here. Probably I use as a means of transport. Imagine, guys, without my bike I couldn't manage. Without my baby I couldn't manage a day like this, heading to Border Town. And big shout out to Monkey, wherever you are, bro. May God bless you. And you are the one who made it possible. I have this bike. It's helped me a lot. Imagine a day like this. We had emergency to take my sister to hospital. So right now I'm going to confirm the price, because that being said, I have on my pocket I have $10. So probably I want to know each teeth how much cost, because there are 4. I want to know each teeth. Wow. Let's go, guys. That's the advantage to be the firstborn in my family, I'm telling you. But me, I can't complain at all, you know. I can't complain at all. You know? So, guys, I left home, and that's our cow right there. So I'm keep going up to Border Town. Imagine, guys, if I could have enough money, even I can't go there to ask the price. But you know, guys, you wanna understand. That's my home right there. You wanna understand each and every step, guys, that I make. You know, it's by God's grace. Maybe this way. Okay, let's go. Heading down. That's right. Keep going down. Deep, 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 deep. Woo! Oh my gosh. But it is what it is. My sister, she will be okay. So let me go and ask the dentist the price of one teeth. Wanaenda TV video yan. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Mambo, kwa poa tunatokea job venye unatuona hivi.
Unaenda job wapi?
Tunachukua kazi kidogo.
Okay.
Sasa tunarudi nyumbani tuoge tupumzike.
Unaenda job sahi ama?
Ndio nimetokea.
Wapi?
Niliwahi hapo kufanya jambo mingine kazi hapo saa 12. Nilikuwa napakia rangi milango na madirisha.
Kwa hivyo unaenda nyumbani?
Kwa hapa naenda nyumbani.
Kwa nyumbani ni hapa ama hapa?
Nataka nipite hivi nikienda hivi.
Okay. You sit. Take her.
Sawa.
Guys, I'm telling him you sit as we go. Free of charge.
Thank you.
Unembe ambodu.
Haukuya. Kawo kanku yako kwa. Ni karanta. Ona hii na rode no. Ana mwaga hii na karango.
Okay guys, so let's go. Oh! Nimbele wangu kore job monego. Ndaya. Oh guys, subscribe to my channel. Your son Hello Baby Official is outside. Your brother Hello Baby Official is outside, chasing my dream like crazy. So let's go. Here we go. We have a shop here, but today on Sunday they have been closed. Hey, it's okay. Okay. Wow. Have the local school covered with mabati. Achiever school. Hey. Have the church. They are under construction. Right here guys, we have the dump site known as municipal, where they throw rubbish from border town. See right here. Let's go. This video goes to up border town. Nothing to be cut or hide back. Never. Border town. Let's go. So this is the tarmac road. Connect East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. This road that you see here. Woo. Let's go, guys. So I'm rushing to the hospital to go and confirm the price. Oh, hey, today no sunny, but you heard my voice. We have a donkey right there. That's a donkey. Wow. Let's go. New petrol station by the name Shell right here. I recommend on that Shell, guys. Okay. People on the motorbike. Guys, I'm telling you, people here didn't like to wear the helmets. You know, they ride rough. Even all of those bodabodas that you see there, no helmets. I'm telling you. I saw this border town, so today's on Sunday, and people went to church. But I remember, if it's on Sunday, police station is working. I'm telling you. Wow. Kept moving on. Guys, subscribe to my channel. I tell you, we're official. Oh, it's totally dark because of no sun, no lights. This is border town for you. Two banks at the same building. You have Equity and Cooperative Bank. Wow. Telling you guys. Let's go. We have a tourist vehicle right there. We have the tank. I'm going to Stokor. Ganda gani dia na I'm labda ndege ndio kwa kuku. Mimi naendesha pole pole hivyo. So we keep going. Keep maneuver around with my motorbike. I know.
hara kabezi kita tarik sehara dan cara juga kahau. Toma je.
So drama
Samra.
Hi. Guys, I'm keep heading this way. Hi. And guys, there is one of the let's look this side here. Oh guys, I was coming to ask right here, they have been closed. Okay guys, they didn't open on Sunday, so it's Monday right here. So what I'm going to do guys, just to like update you what's going on. It's up to on Monday, so right now the entrance have been closed, so let's go back home. Well guys, I'm back home and I want to let my mama to know what's going on, but I didn't find him. I didn't find my mama around, so I'm waiting her. So for meanwhile, let me go to Nyabuhan's right now. They're just construction guys to see what is going on, you know. Wow, let's go and see what's going on. Let's go and see what's going on. I hope guys this video for today you give a like, comment and also share guys. Today it's gonna rain anytime. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet at the beginner's construction. Anyway guys, welcome to Nyabuhan's village. Right now I'm heading to the beginner's construction. And come on, say hello.
Hi guys, welcome back here to Haro Baby channel. If for the first time you are seeing Haro Baby in my channel, go check Haro Baby. He's doing an amazing job. Right now we are in the job here.
Wow.
We're doing timbers.
Yes.
That's the only thing going on here.
With a new machine.
You can also check the market.
Yes, I'm going there. So guys, this is the timber. I don't know for the work. Let me go and see. Woo! I have my baby here. This is my baby guys. Me, I'm telling you. Oh my god. Wow. Anyway guys, welcome to Junior's construction right here. So in case you're new here guys, subscribe, check out the Junior's YouTube channel. I really appreciate, you know. So that being said, I'm a manager, I'm a supervisor. Sometimes I was being here, sometimes I didn't came here because of the work here and there. And guys, to be honest, so let's pass inside here guys. Look, these all supporters. Look, look. Oh my god. And subscribe to my channel also guys. On today's videos, I went to Bordertown to see the dentist, but today is a kind of not a kind, today is on Sunday. Most of the hospitals have been closed, most of the private one, so probably I'll be there in the evening time. When it's possible, you'll get this video for my sister removal of the teeth. When it's not possible, maybe you'll get by tomorrow, depend. So welcome. Let's see the work guys. Job done here. That's my helmet. Wow. Climbing here. Yeah. Say hello.
Hello guys, I'm King Charles Kirioba 254, working here at the Junior's Construction. So we are finalizing the site here, so has to finish from timber work. Yes, to prepare steel work. Very soon we're gonna show you how the steel work are tied here. Yes, so that's my channel. Subscribe, watch and share.
Okay.
Yeah, King Charles Kirioba.
Okay.
Yes, 254.
254.
King Charles Kirioba 254.
Yes guys, that's the code number for Kenya. If you're in Uganda, it's 255. Whoa!
Walk carefully.
zinaweza anguka.
Yes. Paka msumari. Ushika tu hivi.
Oh, unaenda side.
Na hivi bara.
Okay. Na trappers mmemaliza? Oh guys. Wow. These are some trappers. You see guys, well done job. You know, this is a well done job. Well done job, man. Even you can walk here. Try to imagine. And it gives you this space that you see here. It's still bar. Oh my gosh. Try to imagine, man. These are steel bar. Like, these are trappers. And then concrete will be here. After arranging the steel bar and everything on top, it will be here. On that day, guys, I will show you how men at work. How men at work. Guys, today it's a kind of drizzling. You can see some few minutes it's gonna start raining anytime. Look, anytime. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support, guys. If you're watching these videos today, it's not a normal day. I feel so sad when my sister she doesn't feel okay. I feel so sad, man, you know. So I went to make some organization to see whether she can get well treated, but I didn't inform the dentist. Maybe evening time or tomorrow in the morning. But remember, last night we didn't sleep. My sister cried a lot. But anyway, si mnajikinga humu. Ah?
Look at the view down there. Unaona kenye imefanyika hapo chini kweli? Inakaa kama flood. Huwezi kaa.
Sikujikinga, mnajikinga pale kwa mabalkoni pale. Hata pale hotelini hakuna mtu atakataza. Mnajikinga tu.
Nenda tu kwa Vegas unakunywa chai.
Hapa labda ukimwaga kokoto. Unaweza jikinga. Naita zege.
Oh, hii ni balcony ya kukaa nje. Like, there's a balcony here. I didn't know, man. Even you can look at our neighbors, how it looks like. Even you have the pipe here. Try to imagine. Wow. Right now I can walk everywhere, guys. I'm telling you. Lakini hii chance haukugonga msumari. Hii hamkugonga msumari. Guys, I'm telling them, these trappers we haven't put nets. Hii ungeigonga tu sasa, usikumtasahau. Akeje gongo hapa pembeni. Right now, guys, you wanna walk on top, no pressure at all. Guys, look how the day looks like. It's not the normal day. Today no sunny. And I don't want to make this video to be longer because weekend somehow you feel so tired, but man, I'm trying to shoot this video. I don't have too much energy to shoot this video, you know. Sometimes I feel so bad when my lovely sister feels so sick. Imagine you were watching this video from the first up to right now. You will see how my sister feels so sick, man. I'm not blagging things. Maybe today in the evening time I'll take her to the hospital because I went there. The owner of the hospital went to church. Maybe evening or tomorrow morning. Wow. Okay. Let's go down there. See Black Mamba. We're supposed to pass here. I'm going down, guys. See Black Mamba. One of the masons here. See what is going on there.
Hapo tuongeza futi moja. Futi moja ama ngapi?
Ni ile futi moja.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, it's coming from this small ladder here. It's supposed me to go because right now no staircase. Black Mamba.
Yeah, man.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. You good?
I'm good. Thank you for baby for introducing me to your YouTube channel. This is Black Mamba.
Okay.
Right now we are working on the Virginia construction site. So you can see we are back again to the formwork,
Okay.
preparing the steel staircase to be like that face. That face you have put the trappers.
Okay.
So meantime we are going to elevate the side timbers, ready to carry the trappers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, subscribe to Black Mamba. Kwamboka?
The only blackest man.
Akiore.
Sure, niko poa. Niko vizuri yani. Ni kazi tu tunapiga hapa hivi.
Kazi means work. Kazi za Swahili words means work. They are working.
Hello babe.
Yes.
I'm planning to call you into my home.
Okay.
I want you to introduce YouTube. My place.
Hello baby, nilikucheki bana.
Hey.
Cheki YouTube.
Hey.
Unapendeza kweli. Cheki, sio nakwambia picha nyingi tu.
This guy is killing me.
Yes.
You check me on YouTube?
Yes, I love you.
Okay. You love me?
Yes, yeah.
How men can love other men? So you admire my videos, you
Yes,
admire my work,
Yes.
not love.
No, I admire
Yes.
your video
Yes.
and your work.
Okay.
Yes.
Also you. Even Hello Baby can
Even
make
me-
it. Why
even
not
me,
you?
You can find me.
Mm.
You can find me YouTube
At
type C Kwamboka. Yes, you can find me.
okay. Okay,
Type C
Kwamboka.
chacha.
Patia nambao.
Ukipenda TikTok. Unataka tu hapo.
Sometimes guys, it's crazy. Kwamboka,
Yes,
you love me.
I like you.
You like me? Serious? You love me, you like me.
I like you.
You admire my work that I'm doing on YouTube.
Yes, I admire. Even me.
You can make it also.
Even
You.
me, I like to be do
Mhm.
this work.
Okay, you can do.
Yes.
If Hello Baby can make it, why not you?
Even me, I can make.
Yes, you can
nothing,
make it.
nothing is impossible.
Yes.
But to me,
Mhm.
sure, I'm sure that if I can start, I can do and I can go far.
Okay.
Yes.
You try slowly.
And I'm trying.
Okay.
Yes, I'm trying, but I'm on the way.
Right now you have how many videos? So far so good. How many videos on YouTube?
I have video. Video. I have 3.
3 videos. How many subscribers?
Subscriber 31.
3 videos.
3 videos.
You can make it. You keep pushing yourself. You can make it.
31.
Una video 31.
Video 3 nimetuma.
Na subscriber.
Subscriber sija subscribe.
Hauna subscriber.
Subscribe sina.
Si tumekusubscribe.
Wameni subscribe watu wameni follow hapo hivi niko na 31.
31 subscriber. You can make it.
Yes. 31.
Imagine 3 videos 31 subscribers.
Yes.
What about 100 videos?
Si ndio?
You'll be
That's
around
why
2000.
That's why I'm telling you. I'm trying and then I'm on the way.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, I'm telling him, if Hello Baby can make it, why not him? Why not him? Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video, guys. It depends. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos, guys. Wow, look how the house is coming in good shape. Let me show you. Look. Look.